If you're dealing with the error code 41 on your 9735 Agco with a full power shift or a similar model tractor, hopefully this video will help you out. The error code 41 is a transmission slip detection, and you can read through that. It kind of gives you some ideas what could be going on. But there's one thing they didn't mention, is that also your speed sensor can be at fault as well. You'll have to take note as to what your mile an hour reading is in your instrument cluster. The one that I was working on, it would go as slow as 2 miles an hour, and if you drop below that, it would go to 0, and that's when the code was coming up. I had checked the output signal of this, and it seemed like it was fine, and I tried to confirm that with the Agco service tool, going through the wind test to monitor that the controllers were putting out what the dash was saying, and it was. And after some other checks that I had to do, and still having the code 41 come up and resolved all my other issues, I had to pull the sensor out and inspect that, and I noticed on the end it didn't look right to me, and when I put a screwdriver in the end, it didn't have any magnetism there. And so I figured, well, that don't seem right. And so I ended up taking an old magnet that I had out of an old speed sensor that I saved for some dumb reason, put it in the end, and ran it on the drill here with a, like I got it set up with a gear, which I'll run here in a little bit. The sensor had a way stronger pickup reading, and so I'll show you what I did here. Right now it's no magnet in there, and just to show you on my scan tool, I got it at 100 millivolt just to kind of give you a bigger reading band that you can see, and I'll show you what we're doing here. This is without the magnet in there. And that's about how it was reading when it was in the tractor, and it would, the faster you go, the wider that band would go. Now if I stick the magnet in there and do it again, and you can see I got a lot stronger signal. So hopefully that video will help you out if you're struggling with this code and having that come up and beeping at you all the time and gets annoying. Maybe check that out. It don't take much. It's on the right hand side, right behind the battery box, and you don't lose much oil when you pull it out. Just a few dribbles when it comes out. And so check it out. The new style sensor has a metal cap on the end that kind of holds that magnet in place so it shouldn't get lost. And so again, hopefully that'll help you out.